Have you ever wondered how your car gets the energy to move? The answer lies in the fuel system. This intricate network is the heart of your car, delivering the lifeblood, the fuel, that powers your engine. Think of the fuel system as a circulatory system for your car. Just like our bodies need blood, cars need a constant supply of fuel to function. Understanding this system can help you troubleshoot issues and improve fuel efficiency. So, buckle up and get ready to unravel the mysteries of your car's fuel system. Our journey begins with the fuel tank, the starting point of the fuel system. Think of it as the car's stomach, storing the fuel needed for the engine. The fuel tank isn't just a passive container. It features components like the fuel filler neck and fuel gauge sender. To prevent overfilling, the tank has a vent system that maintains the right pressure for optimal fuel flow. Modern fuel tanks are designed with safety in mind, often made from high-strength materials to withstand impacts. They incorporate features like rollover valves to prevent fuel spills in case of an accident. The fuel tank ensures a safe and consistent fuel supply to the engine. Next, we arrive at the heart of the fuel system, the fuel pump. Just as our heart pumps blood, the fuel pump draws fuel from the tank and pushes it toward the engine. Electric fuel pumps are the most common type used in modern vehicles. The pump operates under the command of the car's computer, ensuring the engine receives the precise amount of fuel for optimal performance. Furthermore, the fuel pump is equipped with a pressure regulator. This crucial component maintains a consistent fuel pressure within the system. This regulated pressure ensures that the fuel injectors can deliver fuel to the engine in a precise and controlled manner. Now that the fuel is pressurized, it needs a way to travel from the pump to the engine. This is where fuel lines come in, acting as the arteries of the fuel system. They carry the fuel under pressure from the pump to the engine. However, fuel can contain impurities that could harm the engine. This is where the fuel filter plays a crucial role, capturing dirt, rust, and other contaminants. The fuel filter ensures that only clean fuel reaches the engine, which is vital for its longevity and performance. A clogged fuel filter can restrict fuel flow, leading to reduced engine power and even stalling. Regular replacement of the fuel filter is essential for maintaining a healthy fuel system. Having made its way through the fuel lines, the pressurized fuel arrives at the fuel rail. Imagine this component as a distribution hub, receiving fuel from the pump and distributing it equally to each cylinder in the engine. Fuel rails are typically made of metal to withstand the high pressure of the fuel flowing through them. Each injector is connected to the fuel rail with a secure fitting, ensuring a leak-free connection. The fuel rail plays a critical role in ensuring that each cylinder receives the same amount of fuel at the same time. This synchronized delivery is essential for smooth engine operation and efficient fuel combustion. The fuel injectors are the stars of the fuel delivery system. These small, electronically controlled valves precisely meter and atomize the fuel into the engine's intake manifold or combustion chamber. Each injector is controlled by the engine control unit, which determines the optimal timing and duration of fuel injection. When the ECU determines that fuel is needed, it sends an electrical signal to the injector. This signal activates an electromagnet within the injector, allowing the pressurized fuel to flow through a tiny nozzle. The precision and timing of fuel injection are crucial for maximizing engine performance and fuel efficiency. While the fuel pump pressurizes the fuel, it's crucial to maintain a specific pressure within the system for optimal performance. This is where the fuel pressure regulator comes in, ensuring that the fuel pressure remains constant. The fuel pressure regulator is typically located on the fuel rail or connected to it via a vacuum hose. It consists of a diaphragm that separates the fuel side from a spring-loaded chamber. As fuel pressure rises, it pushes against the diaphragm, opening a valve within the regulator to allow excess fuel to return to the tank. This precise regulation ensures that the injectors consistently receive fuel at the optimal pressure. To ensure the fuel system operates harmoniously with the rest of the engine, a network of sensors acts as its eyes and ears. These sensors monitor various parameters related to fuel delivery, allowing the ECU to make precise adjustments. One crucial sensor is the oxygen sensor, which measures the oxygen content in the exhaust gases. Another vital sensor is the mass airflow (MAF) sensor, which measures the amount of air entering the engine. Additionally, sensors like the coolant temperature sensor and throttle position sensor provide the ECU with information about the engine's operating conditions. This data allows the ECU to fine-tune fuel delivery, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. These sensors provide the ECU with a comprehensive understanding of the engine's needs. Over time, the intricate components of your fuel system can encounter issues, and one of the most prevalent is clogged fuel injectors. Impurities in the fuel can gradually accumulate on the injector nozzle, forming deposits that restrict fuel flow. A telltale sign of clogged fuel injectors is a rough-running engine, particularly noticeable at idle or low speeds. You might also experience hesitation or stumbling during acceleration. Reduced fuel efficiency is another red flag, as the engine compensates for the reduced fuel flow by burning more fuel. Addressing clogged fuel injectors typically involves cleaning or replacing them. The fuel pump, the tireless workhorse of the fuel system, can also experience problems. Fuel pump failure can stem from various factors, including wear and tear, electrical issues, or fuel contamination. Over time, the pump's internal components can wear down, leading to reduced performance or complete failure. Electrical problems, such as a faulty fuel pump relay or a blown fuse, can interrupt the electrical current required to power the pump. Recognizing the symptoms of fuel pump issues is crucial for preventing further damage and costly repairs. One of the most obvious signs is difficulty starting the engine. The evaporative emission system plays a vital role in reducing harmful emissions by capturing fuel vapors that evaporate from the fuel tank and engine. The system consists of components like the fuel tank's vent system, charcoal canister, purge valve, and connecting hoses. Fuel vapors from the tank are routed to the charcoal canister, which absorbs and stores the vapors. When the engine is running, the purge valve opens, allowing fresh air to flow through the charcoal canister, purging the stored fuel vapors into the intake manifold. This system not only reduces emissions, but also prevents fuel vapors from building up in the tank. Regular inspections of the system are essential for maintaining its effectiveness. Section Maintenance Tips. Keeping your fuel system happy. Just like any other system in your car, the fuel system thrives on regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance and longevity. While some components might require professional attention, there are several things you can do to keep your fuel system happy and prevent costly repairs down the road. One of the simplest yet most effective maintenance tips is using high-quality fuel. Opting for fuel from reputable gas stations and choosing the recommended octane rating for your car can significantly impact fuel system cleanliness and longevity. High-quality fuel typically contains fewer contaminants and additives that can lead to deposit buildup in the fuel injectors and other sensitive components. Regularly replacing the fuel filter is another crucial aspect of fuel system maintenance. The fuel filter acts as a guardian, trapping dirt, rust, and other impurities that can clog injectors and hinder fuel flow. Consult your car's owner's manual for the recommended fuel filter replacement interval, but a good rule of thumb is every 30,000 miles or as part of a major tune-up. Addressing fuel system issues promptly is essential for preventing further damage and costly repairs. If you notice any signs of trouble, such as rough running, hesitation, or reduced fuel efficiency, don't ignore them. Take your car to a qualified mechanic specializing in fuel system diagnosis and repair to identify and address the root cause of the problem. Remember, a well-maintained fuel system translates to a happy engine, providing optimal performance, fuel efficiency, and peace of mind on the road. As we've journeyed through the intricate workings of your car's fuel system, from the humble fuel tank to the precision of the fuel injectors, it becomes evident that this system is the unsung hero of your vehicle's operation. While often hidden from view, the fuel system plays a pivotal role in transforming liquid fuel into the mechanical energy that propels your car forward. Understanding how this complex network of components functions empowers you as a car owner. It allows you to move beyond simply driving your car to appreciating the orchestrated dance of fuel delivery, combustion, and exhaust that occurs thousands of times per minute beneath the hood. This knowledge transforms a black box into a comprehensible system, fostering a deeper connection between you and your car. No longer are you merely a passenger along for the ride. You become an informed operator, equipped with the knowledge to recognize potential issues, make informed decisions about maintenance, and even enhance your car's performance and efficiency. Just as a conductor understands the nuances of each instrument in an orchestra, you can now appreciate the role each component plays in the symphony of your car's operation. This newfound knowledge is a powerful tool, enabling you to diagnose problems, communicate effectively with mechanics, and make informed decisions about your car's care. A well-maintained and properly functioning fuel system is paramount to your car's overall health and performance. When all components work in harmony, your engine receives the precise amount of fuel it needs at the right time and in the optimal condition for efficient combustion. This translates to several tangible benefits, including improved fuel efficiency, enhanced performance, and reduced emissions. A clean and efficient fuel system ensures that fuel is atomized effectively, maximizing its surface area for combustion. This results in a more complete burn, extracting the maximum amount of energy from the fuel and minimizing wasted fuel. The benefits extend beyond your wallet, as a more efficient engine also produces fewer harmful emissions, contributing to a cleaner environment. Furthermore, a healthy fuel system can unleash your car's performance potential. When fuel is delivered consistently and precisely, the engine can operate at its peak, delivering optimal power and responsiveness. Whether accelerating onto a highway or navigating hilly terrain, a well-maintained fuel system ensures your engine has the fuel it needs to perform at its best. Moreover, a properly functioning fuel system can extend the life of your engine. Clean fuel, free from contaminants, reduces wear and tear on delicate engine components, such as fuel injectors and valves. This translates to fewer repairs, reduced maintenance costs, and a longer lifespan for your car's most vital component. Armed with a deeper understanding of the fuel system, you're better equipped to identify and address potential issues before they escalate into major problems. Recognizing the subtle signs of a struggling fuel system, such as rough idling, hesitation, or decreased fuel efficiency, allows you to take proactive steps to rectify the situation. By familiarizing yourself with common fuel system problems, such as clogged fuel injectors, failing fuel pumps, or evaporative emissions system leaks, you can communicate effectively with mechanics, providing valuable insights that can expedite diagnosis and repair. This knowledge empowers you to ask informed questions, understand the proposed repairs, and make confident decisions about your car's care. Furthermore, understanding the importance of preventive maintenance, such as using high-quality fuel, regularly replacing the fuel filter, and addressing minor issues promptly, can save you from costly repairs down the road. Just like regular checkups with your doctor can prevent minor health issues from becoming major concerns, proactive maintenance of your car's fuel system can extend its lifespan and save you time, money, and frustration. By adopting a proactive approach to fuel system care, you transform from a passive driver into an active caretaker of your vehicle. This shift in perspective empowers you to make informed decisions, minimize downtime, and keep your car running smoothly for years to come. As technology advances and car engines become increasingly sophisticated, the importance of understanding your car's fuel system will only continue to grow. From gasoline direct injection to alternative fuel systems, the future of automotive technology relies heavily on efficient and precise fuel delivery. By embracing the knowledge you've gained about your car's fuel system, you're not only better equipped to care for your current vehicle, but also better prepared to navigate the evolving landscape of automotive technology. Whether it's understanding the nuances of a new engine technology or troubleshooting a problem with your car's fuel system, this knowledge will serve you well for years to come. So, the next time you start your car, take a moment to appreciate the intricate dance of fuel delivery, combustion, and exhaust that powers your journey. Remember that knowledge is power, and by understanding your car's fuel system, you hold the key to maximizing its performance, efficiency, and longevity. Embrace this knowledge and embark on the road ahead with confidence and a deeper connection to the machine that takes you there.